Hey friends, if you wish to open the File Explorer menu on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all of the possible procedures. So one is that you have the File Explorer icon here. Simply click on it to open File Explorer, but at times people unpin this. So if you have unpinned the File Explorer menu, you can still open it. All you need to do is search for File Explorer in the Windows search bar and open it from the Windows search bar. Now, if this doesn't work, you can always open it from the app section. So click on the start button and then click on all apps and then scroll down to F and then click on File Explorer. You can also open it from the run window. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type explorer.exe and hit enter to open the File Explorer window. And obviously the command prompt works as well. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on open. I'll show it once again. And simply type explorer.exe and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.